updating an image that was uploaded to the Nginx content management system before May 21st, 2026. This is a one-time update from an old asset workflow. To update your image, first locate where your image is in Assets by clicking on the Assets tab in the top navigation of the content management system. It is the third button from the left. Click Assets. Now in the left of the content management system, you will see a new series of icons. Click the top icon, Asset Tree Navigation. This will open your asset tree to the right. Locate Assets. Click the arrow next to Assets option. And now in that series of folders, locate Departments and Offices. Click the arrow next to Departments and Offices. And then you will see A through F, G through L, M through R, S through Z. Find the folder that alphabetically your department or office would be under. Click the arrow next to that name. And then in here, locate your department or office folder and click the arrow next to that folder name. Locate your images folder or where you have the image you want to update. Click the arrow next to that folder and find the image you want to update. Again, this is a one-time update for assets that you want to upload new that were uploaded prior to May 21st, 2026. This is only for images uploaded prior to May 21st, 2026. Once you find your image you would want to update, find the Advance in Workflow button. It is under the name of your asset, the series of tabs, and then under that a series of icons. It looks like a square, a plus sign, and a diamond. And if you hover over it, it says Advance in Workflow. Click Advance in Workflow. In the first drop-down, click Choose a Different Workflow and select Update Image. And then in the second drop-down, find your name and select. And then in the bottom right, click the Advance in Workflow button. You will now see Upload New is available. Click the Upload New and then drag and drop your file that you want to replace here. Locate the folder on your local machine where you have your image. To replace an image, it does need to be named exactly the same thing. Drag and drop that. Click Upload. Once uploaded, now select Advance in Workflow once again. This time, Submit for Publishing and assign it to yourself. And then Advance in Workflow in the bottom right again. The next time we do a publish to the system, your asset will go to the live server and replace the asset on the live website as well.